Assalamu alaikum, well people. I know that you want to speak in English, but you are not able to speak in English. Bro, remember one thing. If you want to speak in English, never forget to practice every day. You know that English is a language, and language learning is not easy. You have to keep consistency. What do you do? What are you doing? What's your profession? It doesn't matter. But main matter is you have to practice in English beside your work, around your work. Are you a student? Are you a job holder? Are you a digital marketer? And are you a farmer? It doesn't matter. But if you want to speak in English, you must practice in English every day. Like me, every day I am bound to practice in English, and few months ago it wasn't easy for me because I didn't try to speak English that moment. And when I started to speak in English every day, after that I used to speak in English, and at this moment I'm used to speak in English without hesitation, without face any kind of problem. How is it happened? Actually, it happened when you make is habit. Actually, habit is very crucial for all things learned, because if you don't make habit, everything will be very strong for you. And if you make any kinds of hard work, that time it will be very easy for you. So, if you want to learn English, if you want to speak in English, like me and like a fluent English speaker, never forget to practice in English beside your work. So actually, when you first time try to practice in English, that time you can make a lots of mistake. Actually, what is the mistake of language? To be honest, learning time mistake is doesn't matter. Also, at this moment I am capable to speak in English, but I can make mistake. It's normal matter, because every day I learn English. I'm not good at English speaker. Okay, but I am trying to speak in English every day. If I make mistake, after that I can solve this mistake. If I don't make mistake, I cannot solve this mistake. So if you think if I make mistake, that's why I don't want to speak in English, it's not a good decision for you. So make mistake, it doesn't matter. You must practice in English every day. Inshallah, one day we will be fluent English speaker. Mercy, pray for me.